Here's a super nice 13 Honda CRV, came out of Phoenix, Arizona. Look at the condition it is for a 13 with 129,000 miles on it. Looks great, hardly a scratch in it or a ding. One small one right there. Interior's in nice shape. 129 is the mileage. Has the sunroof. So like I said, nice and clean. Body's in very good shape. Rust-free Arizona car. So if you're looking for a super nice, affordable CRV, it is all-wheel drive and comes with warranty. This is a year older than we can put our 1212 on, but I believe we put a 3.3 drivetrain on these. And so we still sell them a warranty, just can't be a 1212. Yep, 3-month, 3,000 mile drivetrain. 605-692-7010.